This is Moise and I'm going to tell you about a project summary which is the Black Threads. So basically, since our store objective in the opinion of design is new innovative clothing, that we will be producing glamorous customized apparels. Focus of our store is provided. Basically, we will be manufacturing goods on the base of new design that will attract the market and so our customers. So our vision is that our workshop is located in Karachi, but we will be connecting people throughout Pakistan and hopefully later in global market too. New fashion. While introducing new apparel in our collection, we will be depending on a customer suggestion and feedback. The last one, which is store goals and mission. As our team members are very much interested in our profoundly new idea of boutique shop, we will certainly achieve our goals and mission.
Buying clothes online or from the outlet store, always a hassle as they only have four sizes available: small, medium, large, and extra large. They either don't fit perfectly, or they're too long, or they're too short. The Black Thread has the solution for it without any hassle. You can get the clothes to your sizes, perfectly to your sizes, and even you can get your clothes designed by yourself. And even that we have the collections that are already going on, you can get the amendments done on them as well, only with the Black Thread.
We believe that our brand is offering best quality clothes with new and innovative features. So why customers will buy from our brand and not any of our competitor? So we are selling high quality products in moderate price. Along with that, we are offering the feature of customization, which is not present in the current market, in which customers will get the opportunity to design their own dresses. What are the benefits the customers can receive from us? So there are so many benefits like favorable payment methods, timely delivery of goods, the feature of customization, and new and innovative designs. The products that we'll be offering to our customers include traditional Pakistani dresses, that is shalwar kameez, scarves, shawls, khusas, and we'll be offering a huge collection in black, so black lovers will definitely buy from us.
Foreign customer segment. Here we target the mass market because the fashion industry has huge demand all over the world, which can help us to gain more customers along with the volume sales. Here we do not prioritize any particular gender as we have huge collection of all genders. What values are we creating for customers? We can give better values by providing benefits to our customers by offering sales, discounts, vouchers, best quality stuff, a loyalty, asking for their feedbacks, and the best calm environment along with the better productivity and performance. What unique are we offering to our customers for attention seeking? Khadi, J-Lot, Limelight, Alkaram are offering stitched and unstitched clothes of their own designs, but here we prioritize customers to customize the clothes of their own choice along with the selected designs. How we integrate with our customers? We can integrate with the customers by improving our brand and stuff along with their feedbacks. Thank you.
Hello there. So the next question is, through which channels do our customer segments want to be reached? Our customer segments want to be reached by Urdu channels just like AOI Digital, Hum, PTV, Bol, and etc. We will also do our outdoor advertisements just like billboards, digital billboards, and brochures. Now the purchasing point. The customers will directly buy from stores and they will also online order on our platform. Now the deliver point. We deliver value proposition to the customers by bringing newness and improvement in the product. We will also deliver our product by the courier services.
Assalamu alaikum, Hassan here, and I'm telling you about target audience. Uh, we are planning to target all the genders, including men, women, kids, etc. Okay, we plan to target Karachi city now because this is a hub of business, like a metropolitan city, and with expansion, like we also plan to open our boutiques in Islamabad, Lahore, and etc. There's also online facilities to people, like they can order stuff online also. And after all that, we thought that customer feedback is very important for the growth of the company.
The initial investment required for our company is 15 million, which includes the variable and the fixed costs for 3 to 4 months. And if our company didn't do well in the initial months, then we have the backup for everything. According to the profit and loss statement, our company would be initially in the negative in the first 2 months, and in the third month, it will be in the positive figure, and which means that our company would bear its own expenses in the first 2 months. Yearly profit would be around 14.5 million, which means that our company would get into the break even in 13 months.